Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. So today's look, you guys, is going to be a Foxy eye look inspired by Bella Hadid. It's been somewhat of a trend and I'm all for it. So I really think it's super pretty and it just elongates your eye and it gives you a little bit of lift. So basically what it is that it's going to like give you a lift. No surgery though. This is just makeup, which is perfect for me because I do not want to get surgery. So I like the fact that I can easily just put on the makeup and be out the door and then come back and remove it and do the same thing the next day if I want to. So like I said, it's a trend. It's a really pretty trend, and yeah, so I'm going to show you how I do it. So as you can see, I already have the base and my brows already filled in. The only thing that's missing are the eyes and lips. So to the eyes, you guys. So I'm going to be grabbing the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. Any palette that has these similar shades will do, because all I'm going to be doing is grabbing probably the shade Swarm or Keeper, one or the other, to apply in the transition shade. Even a bronzer will do, but since I'm going to be using this palette, I'm gonna go in with Swarm, right? Swarm. And grabbing like a blending brush and just applying that right into the crease and on the eyelid, just like that, all over, just like that. We want to keep that super natural because we want to keep the focus more on the liner, which I am going to be using an eyeshadow. If you want to use like a liquid liner, you can do that as well, but I'm going to go in with eyeshadow just to give it more of a natural look, you know. All right, so going in with the BH Cosmetics brush here, it's an angled brush. I'm going to be going in with the shade Sting from the palette, which is the last one. It's like a dark chocolatey brown, and I like the shade because it's more of a natural. It's not too dark, it's not too light, it's right in between. So for like an everyday look, I feel like this is perfect. So I'm just going to angle the brush with the top lash line and just follow that right out. So just flick it out, as you can see. And then I'm going to grab the brush and just basically go in towards the center, but not too in, you know. So I think that's perfect, just like that. So I feel like this one looks better than this one, but that's always going to happen. We can always go back in and fix it. All right, so now I'm going to go right back in with the same shade from the palette and the same brush, and I'm going to do the inner corner of the eye. You see? You just elongated it, so now it looks a little longer. You see that? All right, so it doesn't look bad. It looks really pretty, actually. I really like it. I'm going to grab like a little brush like this. This is the Morphe M507, and I'm going to grab a little bit of Swarm and just apply that right here on the outer part of the eye, just fixing the line on this side because I wasn't really happy with it. I really like this side more than this side, so I feel like I'm just blending a little bit out to fix it. You see that? And do a little bit over here just because I don't want to have a lot more shadow over here and no shadow over here. So there you go. Super simple and, you know, really pretty for like an everyday look. All right, so now for lashes, you guys, I am going to be going in with the Kiss number 11s. I did cut them in half just so I can have more of the focus on the outer part to get more of that foxy eye. So I'm just going to apply these real quick. Alright, so as you can see, that is what the eyes are looking like. I think they look super cute. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of the Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious Mascara. Alright, so now you're starting to see it a lot better now that I applied a little bit more of mascara on the lower lashes. I think it looks super cute, and you definitely see that like nice, ooh, almost poked myself in the eye. But now you see that lift and that beautiful Foxy elongated eye look. And I'm just going to remove a little bit of this because I have some fallout from the shadow from creating that line. And that is pretty much it, you guys. You see how pretty that is? Now I'm just going to go in and fill in my lips. I'm going to go in with my lip liner here from NYX. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. And then to set my makeup, I'm going to go in with this right here. This is the L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dew Mist. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Super quick and easy, and definitely like an everyday look. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.